Welcome to Baby Million PK. Let's learn, play, and have fun together.
A for alligator. My name starts with B. I am bear. I love the forest. My name starts with C. I am cat. I love to play. My name starts with D. I am dog. I love to run. E is for elephant. My name starts with F. I am fox. I am very clever. My name starts with G. I am giraffe. I love leaves. My name starts with H. I am horse. I love to run fast. My name starts with I. I am iguana. I live on trees. My name starts with J. I am jaguar. I am very fast. My name starts with K. I am kangaroo. I love to hop around. My name starts with L. I am lion. I am the king of the jungle. Look! M is for monkey. That's me. My name starts with N. I am night owl. I am awake at night. My name starts with O. I am octopus. I live in the ocean. My name starts with P. I am penguin. I love sliding on ice. Q is for quail. Ah! R is for rabbit. I am a rabbit.
S is definitely for snake. We are very slithery creatures.
My name starts with T. I am tiger. I am strong and fast. My name starts with U. I am umbrella bird. I have colorful feathers.
My name starts with V. I am vulture. I soar high in the sky.
W is for whale. My name starts with X. I am X-ray fish. I am shiny and transparent. My name starts with Y. I am yak. I live in cold mountains. My name starts with Z. I am zebra. I love to run in stripes.
Watch more on Baby Million PK. Like, share, and subscribe.